I've reviewed quite a few urban company RO water purifiers over the last 2 years. Why? I truly believe that the 2-year filter life and reduced cost of ownership spearheaded by urban company Native was very much needed in the market. So no more 5 to 7,000 AMC fees every single year. So today I'll review the urban company Native M1 Pro, which I've been testing for the last few weeks, and highlight key differences with the other urban company Native water purifier models so that you can make an informed choice. The team at Urban Company kindly sent me the product to experience, but like always, opinions are based on my own usage. Let's understand the value the new Native M1 Pro by Urban Company brings, starting with what's new in this M1 Pro compared to the M1. The Native M1 did not have smart real-time monitoring. M1 Pro does. So with this, you can see real-time data on your input water TDS, your output water TDS, the health of your filters. You can track water consumption. You can also access diagnostics and service alerts before any issue arises. Since the quality of the input water keeps changing, I personally found it useful to see the input versus output TDS. Generally, unless we explicitly check it frequently, we are unaware of the quality of water we are drinking. With the smart features now, we have better visibility and better control over the water purifier performance. Like all native water purifiers, 100% of the water goes through full RO processing. This process of not bypassing the RO is useful, especially if your water is known to have heavy metals like arsenic and lead. How do you know about that? You can get your water tested, or you can take a look at the report published by the Government of India, which I have linked in the description. Now, since this 100% RO filtration can cause mineral loss in the output water, essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, copper, and alkaline are added back in through a separate mineralizer. Like the Native M1 and the M2 Pro, the Native M1 Pro also has a 10-stage purification, including the main stages like the pre-filter for sediment removal, carbon filter for removing bad odors, RO membrane for removing heavy metals, dissolved solids and microplastics, and UV sterilization for germs and bacteria removal. And it also has a mineralizer, copper and alkaline module post-filtration to improve the quality of the water that we drink. This is an ISI certified water purifier and is suitable for mixed sources of water. I recently went through the 2-year filter change process for the Native M2 RO water purifier that I had installed in my mom's house. I had no servicing or no filter replacement required for 2 years, and the unconditional warranty renewal that includes filter replacement cost me only about 5,000 rupees. The process was very easy through the Urban Company app. The technician came in and changed all the filters without hassles. And now I get another 2 years of no hassle usage. The Native M1 Pro has the same 2-year filter replacement, zero service and unconditional warranty. The 2-year unconditional warranty covers all filters, including the pre-filter, the RO membrane and electrical parts, irrespective of the input water quality or how much water you consume. This works out to almost 20,000 savings over an 8 to 10 year period compared to annual AMCs. Now, compared to the Native M1, this M1 Pro has a smaller water tank of 7 liters, which is adequate if you don't have long power cuts. It also has manual water dispensing, so no issue during power cuts. The installation is free and done by Urban Company technicians at a date and time that you are comfortable with. During installation, you need to be aware that if your water pressure needs adjustment, you will need to purchase a device to lower the water pressure, which costs anywhere between 250 to 500 rupees. Now, while the filtration quality remains the same, the Urban Company Native M1 Pro brings the best of Native M1 and the Native M2 Pro together. The smart features of M2 Pro combined with the manual water dispensing of the M1. So, best of both worlds. The 2-year filter life and unconditional warranty, app-based monitoring, 10-stage RO and aesthetically pleasing design have truly made this water purifier a great addition to any modern Indian home. At the time of making this video, the M1 Pro is available at 17,499. Check the current price from the link in the description. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.